కానీ ఏంటంటే పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ మాత్రం చెప్పాలి యాజ్ ఎ స్కాలర్. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ అంటే వాల్యూ న్యూట్రాలిటీని మనం ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టే వాల్యూ న్యూట్రాలిటీని ప్రతి చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఒక రీసెర్చ్గా అంటే ఒక రీసెర్చ్ స్టూడెంట్గానే మనం పనిచేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు యూ హ్యావ్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఐడియాలజీ, ఐ హ్యావ్ మై ఓన్ ఐడియాలజీ అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి హ్యాస్ దేర్ ఓన్ ఐడియాలజీస్. అది దట్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి రిఫ్లెక్ట్ ఇన్ అవర్ రీసెర్చ్ ఏరియా, రీసెర్చ్ టాపిక్. అదొకటి కొంచెం వాల్యూ న్యూట్రాలిటీ పెట్టి చేస్తే బాగుండేది. ఆయన కూడా అంటే వెల్లు శ్రీనివాస్ కూడా అదే మెయింటైన్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది అనేది. ముఖ్యంగా బేసిక్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాల్సిన వర్క్ మాత్రం ఇప్పుడు నందకిషోర్. ఎందుకంటే మెథడాలజీ దగ్గర నుండి ఆయన ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ అంటే మినిమం 2 months టైం. గుడ్ టైం, ఎస్ గుడ్ టైం. అంటే నువ్వు రేపటి నుంచి వర్క్ మొదలు పెట్టాల్సిందే. ఓకే.
ఓవరాల్గా the attempt is very good, and I think hope this attempt can be continued if there is a active participation.
నాకైతే మీరు ఇయర్లీ వన్స్ అన్నారు. ఐ రికమెండ్ ఫర్ ఇట్ ఇయర్లీ ట్వైస్ అట్లీస్ట్. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ లెస్.
This should be grand success.
ఇది ఓకే.
అంటే
సారీ
potential to what extent it can go. You already want this clear picture.
Provided whatever the comments which have come on each and every paper, and if they sort of incorporate all those things and work on those things for next 2 months, then certainly there is a possibility. As a topics, I see that some of the topics, their scope is very wide. Even Vellu Srinivas, he could sort of restrict to 1 or 2 variables, like patterns of leadership, certain things. And don't go into the detailed aspects. No, you restrict whether those patterns are there or not, kind of this thing, and then it is possible. So he has to do some sort of a study and theoretical study on these patterns of leadership, and so that he can apply those things. So it is possible. Need not be, canvas need not be very vast. And similarly, Rajesh should restrict to radical left movement and the Dalit question rather than the Telangana Dalit movement as such. Because that is what he has focused. So you focus on that only, and that would be better contribution, provided it has to be objective. As I said, that there are varied kinds of interpretations are already there. So that way, if the comments are taken seriously and they are worked out, and if they would like to sort of interact in their improvisation, all of you are very welcome, and certainly we would sort of help you to sort of finalize the papers. And the real success of today's this thing would be if we come out with a publication, that one can really celebrate. So take it in that positive spirit and work hard.
Now we request Kumaraswamy to propose a note. Thanks.
I'm very obliged to a lot of thanks for this one day political science research scholars center for the organization. Since morning 6 o'clock. As we all of know that today's seminar titled Democracy, Development and Justice Service, one day seminar, Center for Advanced Studies CAS faced to political science as whole bit, and for this program, our Honorable Chancellor Professor S. Satyanarayana has come for this program as chief guest. On behalf of the political department and also Center for Advanced Studies, I thank for his valuable time and his guidance and his support. And I also take an opportunity to give a lot of thanks Professor S. Malleshan Garu, Principal, Arts College, Boli, for his arrival and his valuable time he spent for this program. And also I thank Professor B. Ravindra Sastry Garu, Dean, Faculty of Social Science, Usman University, for his valuable remarks on this particular idea that research scholars seminar. And also I thank Professor Krishna Reddy, who has been instrumental for this program and the capacity of as a coordinator for CAST and also beginner and initiator of this program. I also take an opportunity to give a vote of thanks to Dr. C.H. Venkateshwarlu, who acted as a vote of thanks for this inaugural session. And I also take an opportunity to give a vote of thanks for Professor Satish Chandra sir, who happened to be chairperson for this first session, where 3 papers which focused on theoretical understanding of the given subjects, that is democracy, development and justice. I also congratulate and give thanks to C.R. Annapurna Garu, who presented a paper on a theoretical inquiry to the relationship between democracy, development and justice in India. And I also thank the Krishnaven Garu, who presented a paper, Unemployment, a Challenge to the Democracy, Development and Justice in India. For second session, Professor M. Channabaswara Garu acted as a chairman for this session. It is actually the 3 papers focused on movement-based, Dalit movement and Telangana movement, and also leadership importance. I congratulate all the 3 presenters, that Rajesh and Delhi Srinivasu, and also K. Rajagowda. And then for third session, this few minutes back we completed the third session. For that session, Professor Guruvinder sir acted as a chairperson. I thank on behalf of the department and also CAST. I also congratulate to B. Sudarshan, who presented a paper on changing of power relations and Dalit possession in Panchayat Raj. And Bharati Vageshan, who presented a paper, Trajectory of Democracy and Development, case of post 73rd Amendment Panchayat Raj institutions in Andhra Pradesh. I also congratulate to Nandakishore, who presented a paper on MGNREGA and control of labour migration in a case study of Mahakunagar district. Finally, E. Veerababu, who presented a paper, impact of MGNREGA on area of irrigated crops. And I also take a privileged to give a vote of thanks to the ICSR Southern Region's technical staff, who provided documentation of this program. They have provided very good facilities for video and audio and also
Your names.
Nalini and Srinivas. I also took this opportunity to convey my thanks to the Around department, that is Political Science department, staff, especially Bhaskar Garu and Shekhar, Shailaja madam. Last but not the least, the CAST staff, Rajesh and Giribabu, Rajaya. These technical staff have been working for the success of this program. I also take an opportunity to give a vote of thanks to all the presenters from different departments who made this occasion as a successful occasion. With this concluding remarks, I conclude. I think by this program is
You did conclude.
But you missed one person.
sorry.
I think let's say big thanks to Juan.